Ginebra San Miguel and Talk and Text. Ginebra has not scored. They just called a timeout. 7-0 pong ating score sa kasalukuyan in favor of Talk and Text.
Halatang-halata dito, no, that Barangay Ginebra is struggling without a playmaker whom they're used to. Help them advantage the Talk and Text against Barangay Ginebra now that Asi Taulama is suited up.
Eric Beck from top of the key. Andy Siegel with a nice tap. Nakuha ni Mark Tagiwa. It is now a 7-5 count. 2-point lead for Talk and Text. Boy, masyado mataas yung pasa ni Eric Beck. And actually, yung shot clock was reset. But Mark Tagiwa did not have any use for it. And we are tied!
At siya kasi Asi Taulama playing again, no?
Oh, yeah.
Basketball lang ang pag-uusapan natin dito.
Yo!
Look at that.
Nice pass to Eric Beck from Mark Tagiwa. Tama, layo talaga.
Ang layo. So you don't really, hindi ka naakma for defensive purposes because you wouldn't think that he's going to score from that far out.
And a single tips it in.
2-3 in the league in terms of offense.
Ito si Mark Tagiwa at the baseline, gives it inside to Eric Beck.
He's driving in and he's scoring a layup at si Salvacion is not able to keep in step.
Eric Beck over Mark Talam. Ito, mamaya bibigyan natin. Marami tayong premyo. Eric Beck underneath. Adukol is in the game and he gets his first possession pero masyado malakas.
Bakbakan dito si Asi.
Romel Adukol. Sunday Salvacion down low to Eric Beck against Yancy De Ocampo. There's a double team. Eric Beck tries to get away and an offensive foul is going to be called. Ano yung Mihawi?
That's a good call. Eric Beck trying to force his way in.
At the lead is 5 para sa Talk and Text. Romel Adukol. To Sunday Salvacion. Here's Eric Beck. Zip shot is no good.
But meron na siya 2 rebounds. And of course, he forced Barangay Ginebra to take a lot of shots from the perimeter at he prevented those close-in shots.
Bravo on Eric Beck.
Mahigpit, ha? Very congested yung lane portion sa depensa ng Talk and Text.
A look now in the double-digit lead now by Talk and Text at 31-21. Eric Beck tries to do something about it. Bong Rabena para sa rebound binigay kay Don Belbelano into the front court. Aris di maunahan. Etangan ng bola. Binigay kay Eric Beck at low post. Got the step on Yancy De Ocampo. Nagulat po si Yancy.
Providing quality minutes.
Back to an 11-point lead para sa Talk and Text. Rodney Santos trying to shake off Bong Rabena. Got the pick, Emilio Gehrig. 3-on-1. Gehrig hands it up to Bong Rabena. Pull-up sambu pa. Well, using second quarter questions sa ating PGA Stick Panalo. Sino player ang unang nakagawa ng 3-point shot sa quarter na ito? Nakita nyo na yan. There's a steal by Sunday Salvacion. Binigay kay Rodney Santos also. Eric Beck at the reverse. It's good. And the Barangay Ginebra crowd is once again alive. Kanina pa po medyo natatahimik itong Barangay Ginebra crowd. Pero ngayon buhay na naman. As Ginebra closes the gap to 7 points. There's the steal by Sunday Salvacion. Rodney Santos handing it off to Eric Beck. And a nice reverse layup to cut the lead down 39-32. We have a timeout. The PBA will be back.
Now guarding Jimmy Alapag, and that's a big height advantage for Salvacion.
Peter Martin has a report. Peter.
Magkaroon na si Asi Taulama. Kaya those are the two sides of this controversy. But on the side of the PBA, they felt that
para sa Talk and Text once again. With a little over a minute remaining here in the second quarter. Rodney Santos. Nice move, and Andy Siegel with the back to the beginning. John brings it down para sa Ginebra. Adukol. Hindi maunahan.
And napansin natin, no? Unti-unti. Talk and Text is now going to Asi Taulama as their #1 offensive option. He's now back offensive option na naman ang Talk and Text. And scores on the glass.
Gusto makabawi na Romel Adukol. Eric Beck with the offensive board and the putback.
Tatlong personal fouls.
Ito na naman si Adukol. There's up. Wala. Eric Beck again gets the offensive board. And there's going to be a foul as Winnebago helps Eric Beck up. Sunday Salvacion set up with a 3-point shot. Nothing there. Eric Beck to the rebound. And nakakuha ng offensive board and the zip shot is short. Estong Ballesteros is in the game Di maunahan. 3-point shot is no good. Ayan na naman si Eric Mink sa ilalim. And the loose ball picked up by Sunday Salvacion off to Estong Ballesteros. Cross court to Eric Mink. Mink puts it up. Hey!
It's all Eric Mink. He's become na.
Through the mill. A full 5-game series. A hard-fought one against San Miguel. And speaking of hard-fought, nakita nyo naman si Eric Mink. Talagang hindi tinatantanan yung ilalim. Winner is called for the foul. That will be his second personal, pero nasa penalty na po is on pocket text. So, 2 shots here for Eric Mink.
Grabe yung intensity level.
Yes.
Napakita nitong si Eric, especially in this quarter. He feels that someone's got to step up.
Let's set us forward now to Sunday Salvacion. Down low to Eric Mink. Mink looking around inside the paint. And as you said, it's been Eric Mink all the way para sa Barangay Ginebra. Di maunahan to Eric Mink. Double team, triple teamed.
Kung kumakayod natin si Eric. Grabe ginagawa nito. He's putting his team on his shoulders. Alam niya nasa penalty na talking text. He is so aggressive now. And ito naman ang antidote ng talking text. Ibabalik si Coach Joel Banal.
Balik po tayo rito sa 4th quarter na labanan ng Barangay Ginebra at ng talking text. As Eric Mink scores his 18th point. Pero
natigil din ang scoring dito ni Mark Kagiwa, no? Ito si Gary, tapos tumitira pa. Hindi pumasok yun. Ito talaga si Eric Mink, kumakayod. Getting the rebound, scoring the points. Double-double na para kay Eric Mink. Got 10 rebounds with 18 points.
Kailangan makadepensa sila sa kabila. Ninyo Gehrig. Wala. Loose ball. Rebound by Adukol. Ito, fast break play na Barangay Ginebra. Eric Mink, tinapitan ni Jimmy Arapag.
Hinawakan na yun. But he wanted to stop the 2 points from Eric Mink. That's a good foul. Given up by the Mighty Mouse. 15-point lead by Talking Tech. 5 minutes to go. Matagal pa to.
Here's Rocky Santos.
One-on-one against the smaller defender.
Oh, reverse na po Dougal. Wala. Oh, is good. Romero Adukol.
11 na lang.
To go.
Incident yung attendance natin 14,093. Paying customers 14,000. Ang dami nun.
Mark Kagiwa started off well para sa Barangay Ginebra but got into foul trouble as Eric Mink is
he's not giving up. Ito si Asi Taulaban natawagan ng foul. And he takes over from Eric Mink. And it looks like the white flag has been raised here. Mix Noble is also going to check in.